Your car still drives fine today. Engine sounds normal. Everything feels okay. But here's the thing. Small daily habits are quietly wearing it out, and months from now, a repair bill shows up that could have been avoided. Cars rarely fail because of one big mistake. They wear out because of dozens of small habits repeated every day. Most drivers don't even realize they're doing it. Now, every one of these habits is easy to fix. Small changes today can save you thousands later. If you enjoy practical car advice that actually saves money, subscribe. First, skipping oil changes. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. It lubricates moving parts, absorbs heat, and keeps everything sliding smoothly. When you stretch past your interval, that protection breaks down. Parts rub harder, temperatures climb, and sludge builds up. You're not saving money by skipping it. You're just moving the cost to a much bigger repair later. Follow your manual. Most cars are happy somewhere between 7,000 and 10,000 miles, but check what's right for yours. Second, ignoring warning lights. That little icon isn't decoration. It's telling you something. The check engine light, the low oil light, the brake light. These exist so you can fix small problems before they become expensive. Most drivers don't notice this until it's too late. A loose gas cap, a failing oxygen sensor, a small coolant leak. None are expensive on their own. Ignore them, and you're looking at converter damage, overheating, or worse. Third, revving a cold engine. When you start your car in the morning, oil hasn't fully circulated. Revving hard right away forces metal parts to grind together without proper lubrication. You're adding wear every cold start. Just start it, give it 30 seconds, and drive gently until the temperature rises. This next habit is incredibly common, driving with low coolant. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating. Run low, temperatures spike. Push it further and you're flirting with head gasket damage or engine failure. Pop the hood once a month, check the overflow tank, top it off when needed. Fifth, aggressive driving. Hard acceleration, sudden braking, slamming through corners. It feels fun, but every hard launch stresses your transmission, suspension, brakes, and tires. They wear faster and fatigue sooner. Smooth inputs don't just feel nicer. They protect everything underneath. If your car's a manual, you've probably done this without realizing. Riding the clutch. Keeping your foot on the pedal while driving or holding it down at red lights instead of shifting to neutral. That pedal isn't a footrest. Every second it sits half engaged, the clutch grinds the flywheel. Heat builds up, and clutch life drops by tens of thousands of miles. Most drivers don't realize this is a mistake. Using the wrong fuel. Premium doesn't always mean better. If your car is designed for regular 87 octane, premium costs more with zero benefit. The opposite is also true. An engine that needs premium running on regular can knock, lose power, and over time suffer real damage. Read your manual, use what it asks for. Now, to be fair, this one is sneaky, neglecting the air filter. A clogged filter chokes your engine. Airflow drops, fuel economy drops, throttle response feels lazy. The fix takes 5 minutes and $10. Check it every other oil change. Driving on underinflated tires. Soft tires drag on the road. Fuel economy falls, handling feels sloppy. The shoulders wear faster than the center, so you replace them sooner, and worst case, they overheat and blow out. Tire pressure is printed on your door jamb. Check it monthly. The 10th, and this is where a lot of bills are born, is delaying small repairs. A small oil leak, a squeaky belt, a soft brake pedal, a coolant stain, none feel urgent. That's exactly why they become expensive later. Every driver makes mistakes. The important part is catching little problems before they snowball. Which of these habits have you caught yourself doing? Be honest in the comments. Taking care of your car is usually much cheaper than repairing it. Check your fluids monthly. Listen for new noises. Glance at tire wear. Follow your service schedule, not your buddy's, the one in your manual. Small things done consistently keep a car alive past 200,000 miles, and they protect your resale value when it's time to sell. Subscribe for more simple maintenance guides, driving tips, and advice that helps your car last longer without draining your wallet.